pTron Bassbuds Ultima. Smart Power On. To power on the earbuds, take out both the earbuds from the charging case or press and hold both the earbuds for 3 seconds. Pairing process. Once the earbuds are out of the case, wait for 3 to 5 seconds until left and right earbuds pair to each other. Now turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and search for pTron TWS to connect with the device. Smart Power Off. To turn off the earbuds, touch both the earbuds for 3 seconds or keep both the earbuds into the charging case. Automatic Bluetooth connectivity. pTron Bassbuds Ultima comes with automatic Bluetooth connectivity. Just turn on the Bluetooth of the earbuds and they will automatically connect to the last pair device. Calling and music through mono and dual buds. You can use the earbuds in both mono and dual mode. For mono mode, just place the right or left earbud back into the charging case. And now you can use one of the earbuds for calling and music. Turn on ANC and transparency mode. Touch either of the earbuds for 1 second and you will hear a beep sound and the modes will be changed. Types of ANC modes. ANC mode. It is the noise cancellation mode that will help you to reduce surrounding sound up to 30 decibels, and you can enjoy immersive music in bustling streets or crowded cafes as the ambient noises are greatly reduced. Transparency mode. This mode is in between normal and the ANC mode. Let's suppose someone walks in front of you. You can turn on the transparency mode to hear the person talk, and this will switch off the noise cancellation mode to hear ambient sounds and reconnect to the surroundings. Voice Assistant Activation. To activate Google Assistant or Siri, tap on either of the earbuds 4 times. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, tap once on either of the earbuds, and to reject an incoming call, touch either earbuds for 2 seconds. Music controls. You can tap once on either of the earbuds to pause and play music. To go to the next song, tap twice on the left earbud, and to go back to the previous song, tap twice on the right earbud. To increase the volume, tap thrice on the left earbud, and to decrease the volume, tap thrice on the right earbud. Charging the earbuds. Place both the earbuds into the charging case properly. The earbuds will power off and start charging when you place them into the charging case. The red LED indicator is permanently on during charging. When earbuds are fully charged, the blue indicator will turn on and it will turn off in a few seconds. Charging the case. Connect the Type-C end to the charging case and the USB end to a 5-volt power source. The digital display will show the battery percentage charged. Once it is 100%, remove the case from charging. Troubleshooting scenarios. One earbud is not working. Place both the earbuds into the charging case and now take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds and both the earbuds will pair to each other. Now turn on the Bluetooth function on your phone and search for pTron TWS and connect. Earbuds not connecting or scanning. Place both the earbuds into the charging case and now take out both the earbuds from the charging case. Unpair pTron TWS from your phone's Bluetooth settings and restart your Bluetooth device or phone. And now search for pTron TWS on your Bluetooth device and connect. Earbuds disconnecting during a phone call. Charge the earbuds 100% before use and restart the earbuds and reconnect with your device.